position here as 1. Alright, so now for this column, calculating this column, same exact rules apply. Okay, so 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So this ends up being 9. Now, is 9 greater than 9? No, it's not. So this does not get done at all. And mind you, before this was done, round integer was set to 0. Alright? So now that's nothing's going to be changing it back to 1. It's going to be 0. So I hope you realize that. Let's see, how much can I undo here? Awesome. I can't undo anymore. So before, and make believe I didn't do this yet. It was 5 plus 5, which is 1. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So at this stage, when we've just calculated the result int, we then turn the round int back to 0. Alright? Now, once we realize 11 is greater than 9, it subtracts the 10, leaving it with 1, and turns the round int back into 1. So that's one crucial point. I hope you realize that the round int goes back to 0, always goes back to 0, but when the result int is greater than 9, it turns it back to 1. Alright, and then of course results stored there as 1. So here 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 here is 9. Now is 9 greater than 9? No, so we just go ahead and take it and store it. And of course, before storing it, we set the round int to 0. And then we stored it. And then it keeps on going with the array. It keeps on going. So it takes 0 here. And of course, all of these all these boxes that you kind of look at as empty are all initialized to 0. So it's the 0 plus 0. It's 0. 0 is not greater than 9. So round int stays as 0. And keeps on going all the way until it reaches position 0. That's when the loop ends. Once it loops and loops and loops, it's going loop and loop and loop and loop. And once it goes to this test value, after it decrements 1 and sees that counter is now -1, that's when it skips out of the loop. So I hope that gave you a better insight onto how exactly the summing is working. Alright, so let's see, how much time do I have left? Damn it, I went over 10 minutes. Alright, I'm going to have to split this into 2 videos. Take care, bye bye.